Today, I'm coming on for a 3-week update on my mini braids. It has actually been 3 weeks. Wow, time is flying. As you can see, they're still looking pretty fresh for the time being. Still looking hydrated, healthy, moisturized. Next, I'll be showing what products I'm using. So this is Softy African Shea Butter Grease, African Pride Moisture Miracle Line, Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. And lastly, a spray bottle of water. So all I'm doing is applying the African Pride leave-in cream. The reason I keep adding water and warm water at that is because it opens up my cuticles, which allow my hair to take in product easily. As you can see, I keep working to seek out and moisture, hydrate, and seal them many braids that are like the length of a TWA. By the way, TWA means teeny weeny afro. Now with this Softy African Shea Butter Grease, I noticed that I was breaking some of my ends off because I didn't have enough water in my hair, so I kept adding just enough water. This grease don't have any slip at all. I don't even see how people even use it without water. For me, that doesn't work, so I'll just keep spraying away. And as you can see, I do my hair section by section. I start off by spraying some water, then I go in with my cream, and then I go in lastly with the hair grease. The reason I go in lastly with the hair grease is for the seal in the water and the moisture that I put in my hair previously. wrapped my hair for tonight until the next day came. And that next day, and the shrinkage is real. Yes, I know. This is a couple hours after I woke up, and I just took the head wrap off my head, and yeah, again, the shrinkage is real, but that's just what happens. It's moisturized, it's hydrated, it's sealed. This is the way I add moisture and retain moisture in my mini braids every week.